Congress High Command who is doing all this. The real Sutradhari in this entire episode seems to be the Congress High Command, and the governor seems to be the Patradhari. The director High Command, actor governor. I have a doubt I want to share with the countrymen. Tomorrow, anybody filing complaint before any governor against any chief minister, then the governors are going to allow prosecution of those chief ministers without even inquiry, without getting any report, without consulting the state cabinet. This is the precedent the Congress party want to set in before the country. Then there will be chaos across the country. The Congress party, which is the ruling party at the center, before supporting the governor, they should apply their mind and think seriously about such matters. Now you can file any number of complaints, and then governors, if they take action, then what is meant by democracy? What is the cabinet system? Then what is the people's mandate? If the governors want to rule like this, and they want to terrorize people, and they want to influence the mandate of the people, then there will be chaos across the country. That is the only doubt I have. Because so far we have seen anywhere, anybody asking for prosecution, after some inquiry, some authority has to make an inquiry, and then one can go and ask for permission. But here, nothing's happened. Inquiries are going on separately, and the governor gives permission. And the governor says, I am proud to be a congressman. He said it. I am proud to be a congressman. And he criticized BJP, our party also, openly. That's why we are very particular that this man should go. If he is so keen, he can become an All India General Secretary, or he can become the working president of the Congress Party of Karnataka.
Is this your last resort, sir? Meeting the president, is this your last resort?
No, president is the highest authority. As far as the constitution is concerned, that's why we have come to the president. But anyhow, we have taken up the matter with the people. Tomorrow, we are going to protest before the Raj Bhavan in Karnataka. All our MPs and MLAs. We want to demand that the governor should be recalled, or otherwise he should get out of Karnataka and leave the state immediately. And then we have the parliament. We will highlight this issue in the coming session of the parliament. And then we have already taken up with the people. This step will boomerang on the Congress party. Let them realize this. अभी कुछ नहीं, अभी इसके बारे में बाद में, इसके बारे में बाद।
मामले आ गए हैं सीएम के खिलाफ।
भाई हमको एक ही सरकार है, देश में कोई व्यक्ति जाके प्रदेश में राज्यपाल के सामने कुछ शिकायत दर्ज करे और तुरंत राज्यपाल जी बिना इंक्वायरी उनको अनुमति दे प्रोसिक्यूशन करे, फिर लोकतंत्र का मतलब क्या है? कैबिनेट सिस्टम का मतलब क्या है? ये मजाक का विषय बन जाएगा, पूरा देश में खयास होगा। अभी किसी ने मुझे बताया और 3 कंप्लेंट फाइल किया है, करने दीजिए। मगर हमारा कहना है सब एक षड्यंत्र के आधार पर केंद्र का आदेश से सब कुछ हो रहे। चिदम्बरम जी, वीरप्पा मोइली ने जब सपोर्ट किया गवर्नर एक्शंस को, उससे ये मालूम पड़ रहे इन्हीं लोग उनको द्वारा करवा रहे। ये लोग सूत्रधारी है, वो केवल पात्रधारी है। मगर मेरा विश्वास है जनता इनको उचित समाधान देंगे और मुझे पूर्ण विश्वास है हमको न्याय मिलेगा। कल हम कर्नाटक में राजभवन के सामने सभी लोग धरना कर रहे हैं, डिमांडिंग राज्यपाल को वापस जाना चाहिए ऐसा डिमांड करने के लिए कल वहाँ जा रहे हैं। इसके बाद भी आगे भी आंदोलन होगा, हम ऐसा किसको छोड़ने वाले नहीं हैं।